Businesses of all sizes need automated processes to optimize their marketing results, increase sales, and generate more profit. But marketing automation always seems too complicated and expensive. At GetResponse, we think exactly the opposite. Whether you're big or small, you deserve scalable marketing automation that brings results. That's why we've created marketing automation that's based on communication workflows that listen and react to your subscribers' behavior. It's made of conditions, filters, and actions that can be arranged like blocks. Customize every aspect of your communication. Actions that trigger the process, message timing, the number of recipients you want to reach, and the content you want to deliver. Now you can trigger a different action or event based on individual activities and properties of your subscribers. All you have to do is drag and drop the specific elements, adjust the details, then join the dots to create a sequence of actions. Effective marketing automation is now within your reach. That's not all. With GetResponse Automation, you can address your customers more personally than before. Assign multiple tags to treat different groups of subscribers in their own special way. Organize customer lists and target your audience more precisely. Engage with those who haven't finished their online purchase. Reach out with targeted messages to cart abandoners and win back your lost revenue. Close more sales and get more engaged leads with website traffic tracking. Convert casual visitors, engage regular customers, track and analyze behavior on your website or eShop. Understand and monetize your subscribers' interests based on the pages they visit, products they purchase, and target them with the following offer. And if you're looking for a way to track and rate interactions, the scoring model will allow you to reward your most loyal customers or identify those whose engagement is dropping. Whether you're big or small, GetResponse Marketing Automation saves you time and money, helps to build more detailed customer profiles, and makes your communication more targeted and profitable.
How to create email list with GetResponse. GetResponse is an awesome marketing tool for pros and for beginners. With GetResponse, you can create email marketing, landing pages, webinars, marketing and automation. And with all these tools, it's free for the fast 30 days once you sign up. And the link is given below the video. Check it out, so you can get direct access. With email marketing, you find email creator, autoresponder, email analytics, transactional emails, and list management. Landing pages, you find Facebook pixel, sign-up forms, pop-ups, countdown timer, and comments tools. And there are many other subsection tools under the main tools. Once you sign up, you enjoy great value. As you can see, it's awesome. With all these features, they are free for you once you sign up for the fast 30 days. And no credit card is required. That's why I have given you a link below for you to get it. And all these features, here as you can see, they cost after the 30 days, $15. That's for basic, $49 plus, and professional $99 after getting 1,000 email. Once you reach 5,000, you have to pay $45 basic, $79 plus and $139 professional. And others, as you can see. Remember that no credit card is required. Now let's go into the dashboard and see how you can sign up. Once you click on Sign Up button, the form will come out to fill in your name, email and password. Then click on Create Account. So here is the dashboard of GetResponse, and from here, you can access all features. And here you can select what you want to do with GetResponse. How to use GetResponse Autoresponder. Once you sign in, go to List. Then click Create List. Name your list. then click Create button. Then, click Menu on the upper left corner, click on Autoresponders. Under Autoresponder menu, select your list. Then click on Create Other Responder. This is where to name Other Responder. If you want to mark your emails whenever they sign in, set the calendar on day 0. Check if they are in the right list. Set Send Message to Immediately. Select the days you want to be getting the emails. Go to Choose Message, click on Create New Email. Write your email title, the subject and email address. Press Next. Select a template or go to the top left corner to start from scratch. Here you will customize, you can choose an image. Once you are done, click Next. It will take you back to Create Autoresponder page, click Save, and Publish. That's how to create it. You can repeat the same process to create another responder if you want. How to create GetResponse landing page from scratch. To create a new landing page, go to the Landing Pages section on the top right corner, and then choose Create Landing Page. Here you will see many templates to choose on. You can go through all of them, or you can create one from scratch. Let's choose one for this video. Create the name of your business. On here we have two sections, the landing page and the thank you page. So click Next Step, then it will take you to the landing page editor. As you can see at the top left corner, we have A and B variations to choose on which one performs better for you. So if you want to see, for example, which button CTA converts more people, one form you put let's say let's go, and the other, you can say sign up today. And now you can test which page is working better with your people or not. You can play around with a variation and see which one can do better. But then you can also delete the variation that you don't need. Then, thank you page is what people will see whenever they submit the form, and if you want people to come to this page after they sign up, you have to custom it as well by adding some few things such as your logo. And up here in the menu bar is a desktop version of the page, and this is a mobile version editor, so you can choose how the page will look like on mobile devices. So I recommend you fast work with the desktop and then switch to mobile to see how it will look like. And here you can also change some features as you want, but any changes here will not affect the desktop version. Back to this view, you can see a button here for preview. Access to HTML code. And here is where you can add the main title on the descriptions. You can also upload some images such as thumbnail, and here is where you can do the save, and next step is where you click when you are done with this page. And here is where you can do the save. And next step is where you click when you are done with this page. This menu bar here is where you will get the design, and other elements. There is the section area, and if you want to add other section, just drag it where you want other section. You can also expand the existence section or reduce it. This is for text. If you want, you can just drag and drop a text. And when you double click, you will see other text elements. This refer to image, and you can just drag and drop to the place you want it. You can add a button from here. And here you can link your button to other sections such as section 1, so that whenever someone clicks on it, it will take them to section 1. This is where you can choose different forms, and it's a drag and drop. From here you can choose the type of form you to use. As you can see, you have different options to choose on. You can choose exit pop-up. In addition to this, there is exit pop-up form that comes out when someone is leaving the page. And you can edit it and set the setup as well. This is for shapes. This is for countdown timer, drag and drop. So you can do your setting here as you see it. This is where you can add a video, drag and drop to the page. By double click, you will be able to see its settings. And finally, this is for social media. And this is for paying out. Here you can add a custom code as you can see, so go ahead and fill in the needed information. Now click next step. Here you will have to fill in the SEO information as you can see. Here you can get response domain name if you don't have yours. But if you have, you can use it as well, just like this. You can visit help article as well for help. Finally, you can go ahead with other settings as you can see. And you can choose a thank you page you want to use. And here is other more options you can use. And once everything is set, just click publish. And you will come to the well done page. And it will show you that your landing page is live. And also, you will be able to create other page, view your landing page online, or manage your landing page. So, now I think you can start to use GetResponse, the awesome tool to boost your business. Don't forget, get it in the link below the video. But before you go, please like, share, comment, subscribe and hit a notification bell for more videos. Thanks for your support. And thanks so much for watching. See you soon.